Welcome back to our channel. Looking for a no-fuss, reliable vacuuming solution? The iRobot Roomba 620 may not have flashy features like Wi-Fi or voice control, but it's a tough little cleaning companion designed to do one job, and do it well. Perfect for busy homes, pet owners, or anyone who wants their floors to stay clean without lifting a finger. Today, we'll explore 8 key features that make the Roomba 620 a quiet powerhouse in robotic cleaning. 3-stage cleaning system. Let's start with the core. The 3-stage cleaning system. It loosens, lifts, and suctions dirt, dust, and hair from carpets and hard floors. Roomba 620's combo of rotating brushes and suction ensures every sweep counts. Dual multi-surface brushes. Equipped with dual counter-rotating brushes, the 620 adapts to different floor types, whether it's tile, wood, or low-pile carpet. These brushes work together to grab dirt more effectively, even from uneven surfaces. Dirt Detect sensors. Thanks to Dirt Detect technology, the Roomba 620 identifies dirtier spots in your home and focuses extra cleaning where it's needed most, like high-traffic zones or entryways. The Roomba 620 may not have an app or schedule features, but it's built for straightforward, effective daily cleaning. Just press clean and let it go, no micromanaging required. iAdapt navigation. With iAdapt navigation, the Roomba 620 uses a full suite of sensors to map your room in real time. It avoids obstacles, maneuvers around furniture, and even cleans under beds and couches with ease. Automatic docking and recharging. When it's running low on battery, the 620 automatically returns to its charging station. No need to plug anything in, just let it do its job, and it'll recharge itself for the next round. The Roomba 620's anti-tangle tech. It adjusts in real time to avoid getting stuck on cords, rugs, or pet hair, keeping your cleaning session uninterrupted. Long battery life. Speaking of power, this robot can clean up to 90 minutes on a full charge, giving it plenty of time to handle most apartments and small homes before it needs to dock. The large, easy-to-remove dustbin makes maintenance quick and simple. No bags, no hassle, just pop it out, empty it, and pop it back in. That's it. If you're searching for a budget-friendly, no-nonsense robotic vacuum with great cleaning power and solid reliability, the iRobot Roomba 620 could be your floor's best friend. It does exactly what it promises, and that's keeping your home cleaner with less effort. Product link in the video description. If you found this video helpful to you, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews.